Hi guys, welcome to today's review. It's Scotch Brite rubber gloves. So let's get started. MRP of these gloves is rupees 170, but you get this one from Amazon for 145 only, and they have 1 year of warranty. The color of these gloves is red and they are 20 centimeter long. They are stretchable and they come in one size only. Material of this glove is rubber. Inside there is a cotton lining to absorb sweat, and they are lightweight, extremely comfortable to wear. Right now there is a fresh lemon scent in the gloves. So we can use these gloves for many activities like gardening, house cleaning, dishwashing, clothes washing also. And I use them mostly for washing dishes. The gloves provide a decent grip. It's comfortable to handle wet dishes also. No itching, no discomfort. You can easily, comfortably wash the dishes. I also use them for washing fruits and vegetables. So whenever you don't want to touch water, you can use these gloves. And see your hands, even after washing dishes and fruits, not even a single drop of water. They're absolutely dry. But you need to make sure that you dry these every time after using, and once in a week you need to wash them. So to wash, take some lukewarm water which you can comfortably touch with your finger and soak them for 15 minutes, and now line dry with fingers and up to allow draining of liquid. For me they are really very useful, and I use them for mostly washing dishes. Coming to the negatives, during summer it stick to your hand and become little uncomfortable to wear due to sweat. But overall other months it's really very comfortable. And the other point is this size, M size, is quite small. It's not actually M, it should be small only. So overall the gloves give protection against the harmful acid, chemicals, water, and keep your hands safe and dry. So it's good for all purpose cleaning. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.